Let's make some adorable air dry clay ghosts for Halloween. You're going to start with some white air dry modeling clay. You're going to roll it into a ball. Once it's in a ball, you're going to start flattening it with your fingertips into just a flattened disc. Then you're going to use one of your fingers to sort of form it into a ghost shape. It doesn't have to be perfect because these ghosts are just imperfectly adorable. You are going to allow your ghosts to dry overnight to make sure they are nice and dry. Then you can use a black Sharpie to draw on eyes or a mouth or anything else you would like to add. Now for the fun part, the accessorizing of your ghosts. Using hot glue and any items you can find in your craft room, you can add cute accessories to your ghosts. I'm using mini pom-poms to make a little pom-pom crown for one of my ghosts. And I tied a tiny bit of ribbon into a bow for another. You can use whatever you have in your craft room, beads or yarn or feathers, whatever you would like to accessorize your cute ghosts. And then you get to display them. They make the spookiest, cutest addition to your Halloween decor.